right now I'm working on doing a maybe like a feature of the week or something like that, where I feature you guys that have sent me in pictures, and I feature y'all on the channel. But I just want to say I really appreciate y'all. And before I go, I just want to give these brothers here that sent me some pics a very special shout out in this video, and I just want to put their pictures up. What's going on? It's your brother X, and I am back to do another video for you guys. And in this video, we're going to be talking about co-washing your beard. Okay, so this is a step in the routine that I wanted to talk about because co-washing your beard is definitely an important part of the process. And I just want to explain to you brothers how I feel about it, what some of my thoughts are, what some of the pitfalls are, and are you co-washing your beard, and could that be one of the biggest difference makers in your successful beard journey? All right, so co-washing your beard, what is that? Co-washing your beard is the step of using a conditioner only wash. So there are some co-washes out there that were specially formulated that have some light cleansing agents in a conditioner, not quite a shampoo, and you can use those to wash your beard, okay? But the co-washing also originated from just simply using a conditioner to rinse or wash your beard. And the reason for that is shampoos can be a little bit harsh. They can tend to strip your beard or your hair of all of its natural oils, and it could take some time to get that moisture back into your beard. So in an effort to help to mitigate that problem and keep your beard moisturized, you can use a conditioner to wash your beard. Okay, so now that we know what co-washing your beard is, why does it make a difference on how often you do it? I'm gonna explain. So some people may ask me, what is the correct number of times I should co-wash my beard? Now, that question is so complicated because there are a lot of factors that would determine how often you should co-wash your beard. Let me just give you a couple. What type of conditioner are you using? Are you starting to notice any buildup on your beard from your conditioner? And you might not necessarily, when I say notice buildup, you might not see the buildup. But if your beard has been healthy and your beard's not dry and you're doing everything necessary and you're co-washing your beard multiple times per week, and you start to notice your beard starting to get a little bit unhealthy, it's starting to feel like it's a little drier, your products don't seem to be working, it could be because of product buildup. And product buildup could come from the residues that are left behind due to your conditioners. All right, so even though I condition my beard, or even though I co-wash my beard 5, sometimes even 7 times a week, I also do ACV rinses on occasion. And an ACV rinse is an apple cider vinegar rinse. And what that will do is that will strip your beard of all of the products. It kind of acts like a clarifying shampoo. For those of you that don't know, a clarifying shampoo is a shampoo that's designed to remove the product buildup from your hair. You can use a clarifying shampoo in your beard. I'm going to tell you, it's going to be really rough. It's really going to strip your beard. After that, if you don't do a deep condition and you don't properly take care of your beard, it is going to lead to a dry, brittle beard. It's going to lead to more breakage, possibly split ends. So if your beard is unhealthy, I'm not going to recommend you doing it. But if you do believe that you may have some product buildup, I would start off with an ACV rinse, with an apple cider vinegar rinse. I did some videos on it. I would recommend, I have a water bottle here, so I'm just going to show you. I would recommend starting off with maybe filling your water bottle to, I don't know if you, hey, fumble on the play, hold on. I would recommend maybe filling your water bottle to, you see this, very, very low, not the first big groove here. There's a line right here, all right? So I'd fill it to that line, fill the rest of the bottle up with water, and then I rinse my beard with that. All right. I go a little bit heavier than that, but I'm going to recommend that because ACV rinses can also be hard on your beard, and I don't want you to overdo it. So that would be my recommendation. And for my grill men, my barbecue specialists that have done this before, you can also use this tip for your ACV rinses. You can poke little holes in the top of the water bottle that has the ACV rinse in it, and then when you're in the shower, you can squeeze it. That way you can get the ACV rinse to distribute throughout your beard. For those of you that don't have a spray bottle, all right. So that's a tip you can do. Just poke a couple holes, and you just squeeze, and it'll shoot out into your beard. All right. Now, using the correct conditioner plays a big part in how often you should do a co-wash. All right. So some conditioners leave more residue behind than others. And the residue that the conditioner leaves behind, it kind of plays an important part in the conditioning of your beard. So they're designed and formulated that way. So we all may use different conditioners, and some conditioners are heavier than others. Some conditioners leave more residue behind than others. So where one man may only need to co-wash 3 times a week, certain conditioners co-washing more or less would be required. It all depends. So there's so many variables that just one particular answer may not always be the right answer. Okay, so one of the biggest questions I get is, how do I solve my dry beard and my beard is breaking and my split ends? And co-washing your beard, getting in the shower and using a conditioner in your beard. You put it in your beard when your beard's damp, let it sit for anywhere from probably 2 to 5 minutes, whatever the instructions on the bottle is. Rinse it out, and doing that, I would say anywhere from 3 to 4 times a week. I'm up to 5, but it all depends on how particular you are about your routines. Also, how much co-wash you use when you're in the shower, how much conditioner do you actually put in your beard when you're doing this process. All of these things play a part. So you really have to get in touch with understanding your beard and seeing how your beard reacts to different things. And one of the main ways you're really going to do that is by being consistent. If your routines are all over the place and you're really not consistent, you're not going to know what steps you should tweak a little bit and what steps you shouldn't do, what steps are good, which are bad, because you don't really have a consistent routine. So I've done a video about consistency, and I think consistency is one of the most important parts of the beard journey. So the more you're consistent, the better understanding and the better you're going to see what things really affect your beard and how to tweak or change things. And when you get to that point, you're going to see your beard really start to flourish. I just wanted to come on, do a really quick video. Once again, I want to tell y'all I appreciate each and every one of y'all. All of you guys continuing to show the channel your love and support. I truly appreciate y'all. All of you guys that are hitting my website and purchasing the merch, I appreciate you too. I'm working on doing a maybe like a feature of the week or something like that, where I feature you guys that have sent me in pictures, and I feature y'all on the channel. But I just want to say I really appreciate y'all. And before I go, I just want to give these brothers here that sent me some pics a very special shout out in this video. And I just want to put their pictures up and tell y'all I really love and appreciate y'all. And y'all keep doing your thing, and I wish y'all nothing but the best, continued success, love, and positivity. Y'all brothers stay blessed, and your boy X will be back at y'all again soon.